listen to me, because we need to have a serious, real, heart-to-heart talk today. If you are retired, or if you are anywhere near retiring, every single dollar you have counts. You have worked 40, maybe 50 years of your life to build your nest egg, and now you are living on a fixed income. So when you see something online, or on your phone, or someone tells you, "Hey, can I get free money from Paysend?" your ears perk up. I get it. Who doesn't want free money? Extra cash coming in every month when inflation is eating away at your retirement savings sounds like a gift from above. But I need you to wake up and stop for a moment before you click on anything or give away a single piece of your hard-earned personal information. Because here is the truth, and I am going to say it to you plain and simple: nobody is giving you free money just for breathing. Nobody. So is Paysend giving out free money? The answer is no, not in the way you are thinking. And if you go looking for free money on the internet without understanding how these platforms work, you are walking straight into a trap that could wipe out your account. Now, let us break down what Paysend actually is and how their system works so you are protected. Paysend is an online international money transfer service. It is a real, legitimate fintech company that people use to send money to family overseas or across borders with lower fees than traditional wire services. And like many of these financial apps, Paysend has a referral program. That is where this whole rumor of free money comes from. Here is how their legitimate program works. If you are already a customer using Paysend, they give you a referral link. You send that link to a friend or family member. When that friend signs up and actually sends money through the app, Paysend waives the transfer fee on their first transaction. Then, for their first 12 transactions over the next year, Paysend puts a small bonus, around $3 or €3 or pounds per transfer, into your account. Once you hit at least $5 in bonuses, you can cash that out to your bank card. That is not free money. That is a marketing referral program. You have to refer a real person who has to make a real financial transaction, and you earn $3 at a time. To make $36, your friend has to send money 12 separate times. Is that worth getting excited about if you think you're getting a free $100 check deposited into your bank account tomorrow morning? Absolutely not. And here's where my real fear for you lies, the danger that keeps me up at night when I think about people in retirement. Because people hear the words free money and Paysend, scammers know it. Fraudsters create fake websites, fake text messages, fake Facebook posts, and fake emails claiming, "Click here to claim your $500 free Paysend money transfer." Or someone on social media messages you saying, "If you send me $50, I can use a Paysend glitch to turn it into $500 for you." People, listen to me loud and clear, that is a scam. That is not Paysend, that is a criminal trying to take advantage of your desire for financial security. If you fall for a scam like that, you are not just out $50. Once you give them your card details or your bank information, they will drain your account. And at this stage in your life, when you do not have 30 years of a career ahead of you to rebuild that money, you cannot afford to take that risk. Not for $5, not for $50, not for any amount. So what is your actionable takeaway today? How do you handle this? Number 1, change your mindset right now. Stop looking for quick cash gimmicks online. If an app, a website, or a person promises you free cash with no work, no legitimate purchase, and no strings attached, walk away immediately. Stand up, close the laptop, put down the phone, and say, "No, thank you, I value my money too much." Number 2, if you actually do send money to family overseas and you want to use Paysend legitimately, go directly to their official website or download their official app from the App Store on your phone. Do not click on random links sent to you in emails, text messages, or Facebook comments. Never, ever enter your personal information or card details on a link someone sent you claiming there is a free bonus waiting for you. Number 3, protect your personal information like it is pure gold. Never give out your bank account numbers, your debit card PIN, your social security number, or verification codes to anyone online promising you a payout. Legitimate financial companies will never ask you to pay money up front in order to receive a bonus. Your retirement safety and your peace of mind are worth far more than a $3 referral bonus or the false promise of free cash. Be smart with your money, protect what you have worked your whole life to build, and stand tall in your financial power.